what does it mean to be flagged for review and how to remove it? Meaning of flagged for review on Instagram specifically, Instagram flags accounts that may not be genuine based on certain behaviors or characteristics. Second of all, if other users report certain accounts as spam or impersonation, those accounts may be flagged. And accounts that violate Instagram's terms of service, such as spamming or using inappropriate content, can also be flagged. So how to spot flags for review followers? Go through your followers or followers list, and identify any that seems suspicious. Look for accounts with a few followers or posts, generic usernames, or no profile photo. You're gonna be able right here to see flag for review, right? And you're gonna be able to click remove for that follower and double click to remove them from your followers list. You can click the three dots next to remove button, and you're gonna be able to actually follow them back, right? Or you can just go ahead to remove them from your following list. So basically, this is how you spot the suspicious accounts, or the accounts that may violate terms or service for Instagram. So basically that's it, right? If you want to basically flag followers for review, go ahead and click your profile icon at the bottom right, click the settings or the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then basically go ahead and scroll a little bit down till you find the followers or follows on invite friends. Go ahead and click on it and make sure that you toggle this one on so you can spot automatically the suspicious accounts or the accounts that may violate terms of service for Instagram. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.